Now, having known that relationship is all about sharing, being there for people, sharing, know that there are levels of things to share and not to share. Things not to share. It's not everybody that you share the emotion, your secret with. It's not everybody. But your love, you share it with everybody. Now, having understood that relationship, there are limits. Yes, we know it's all about sharing. Relationship is everything about sharing. How do we procure solution? How do we bring the solution? How do we restore our relationship? We've talked about it. Create limits. Brother, create limits. My sister, create limit. My daughter, create limit. My son, create limit. Because when you refuse to create limit, it's a problem. There are things you don't share. There are things about your children you don't share to people. Some people are happy that that thing is happening to you and your children. Some things that are happening inside closed door. Keep it. You don't share it to everybody. You should know who you talk to. The last time we talked about, hey, your religious head, your lawyer, your doctor, you talk to them. Then the people that are proven otherwise, yes, you talk. So the second thing that we should do now, kill that entitlement mentality. Know that anything somebody gives you in a relationship, no, is not your right, it's a privilege. See it as privilege and not right. The third one, follow it up with prayer. Follow it up with prayers. Prayer is very, very, very important. In everything we do, we must bring it forth. Anything in that relationship, even before going into it, we talked about that when we are talking. I think it was times in marriage or so. I don't remember the topic. But we talked about all of those things. And for any relationship, and may the Lord give us the discernment to understand the right people around us. Because some people are fake too much. They come like they are something else. By the time they enter your skin very well, they turn to another thing. Pray about it. Put God first in it. Put God first in it before you get into any relationship. The Lord, is this the one I should be talking? Put God first. Very, very important and very, very delicate. So please, let's put God first in our relationship.